Hello people, see again with Way Auto channel. This time there is new news about Lexus LF1 Limitless Concept 2018. Like fluid metal being formed into a fine Japanese sword, the lines of the Lexus LF1 Limitless thought can shape the destiny of a pioneer lavishness crossbreed for Lexus. Lexus developed the indulgence crossover parcel 2 decades earlier with the overall presentation of the RX 300 at Detroit. It remains the best offering luxury half and half despite around 50 contenders that have since entered the segment. By and by, the Lexus LF1 Limitless thought shows another grouping of excess vehicle, the lead crossbreed. Merging tip-top with unrestrained excess, the Lexus LF1 Limitless is a component of advancement, improvement, and the latest progression of layout at Lexus. Like its name, the potential results for powertrains are endless. The LF1 thought could be controlled by Vitality Unit, Cream, Module Crossbreed, Gas, or even all-electric. By around 2025, each Lexus show the world over will be available either as a convert charged model, or have a stimulated decision. The innovative soul of the LF1 was made at Calty Design Research in California. The arrangement tongue is built up in the fundamental yet perfect layout thought named Fluid Katana. This arrangement portrayal merges the common conditions of liquid metal with the sharp edges of a customary Japanese sword. Imagining that move from a smooth, gushing mass into a solid, scratched shape surrounded the explanation behind the fluid, yet intense diagram of the Lexus LF1 Limitless. This is our vision for another kind of pioneer vehicle that grips half and half limit without surrendering the execution and excess passed on by the present best autos, said Kevin Hunter, President, Calty Design Research. The LF1 Limitless thought wires creative development while making a mighty excited relationship by improving the human experience for the driver and explorers. Lexus LF1 Limitless Concept, 2018. 2018 Lexus LF1 Limitless Concept. It starts with the right degrees. The Lexus LF1's distorted dash-to-rotate extent gives it an athletic profile that is a more noteworthy number of amusements auto than station wagon. Joined with a hotel that sits significant inside the back wheel drive suspension and powerful 22-inch wheels barely contained under swelling guards, the LF1 has an extraordinary position that passes on its execution desires at first. The low roofline and raised ride height moreover stretch this is a half and half expected for execution with sound judgment. Like all current Lexus models, the pivot grille on the LF1 is an inside segment to the general diagram. On the LF1 it's been taken altogether further, with unpretentious components that suggest the start of the pole outline at the back of the vehicle that by then continues forward toward the nose. The grille itself incorporates a three-dimensional blueprint with tints made in-house by Calty. Edges radiating a long way from the central image prescribe fascination overseeing metal filings into shape. There is no chrome, as the LF1 rather uses LED lighting around the grille that invites you on section. There's undoubtedly that lavishness crossbreeds are an inflexibly noticeable choice for indulgence customers, said Lexus General Manager Jeff Bracken. This LF1 Limitless thought portrays what could happen if Lexus some way or another figured out how to add a lead crossbreed to our lineup. It's a wonderful execution and we're nervous to see our customers and shippers' response. In profile, the LF1 has an evidently described spill out of front to raise starting with the front guard line that connects from the hood the separation to the base of the C-section. That line shows up distinctively in connection to the more erratic surfaces underneath it like the wide, crisply wrinkled front guard that progressions to the smooth, significantly scalloped front portal. Starting there, the bodywork step by step works haul out again to disguise the back wheel giving the Lexus LF1 a broad, exceptional position. A split spoiler recovers your eye at the of the Lexus LF1, however there are entrancing twists and purposes of enthusiasm along each and every piece of the back belt. The delightfully scratched openings at each corner may look like exhaust pipes yet they're truly vents for the air returning past the wheels. The shoulders over those wheels give intense mounts to the sculptural tail lights that grow well past the metal work. Over the lights is the enormous domain of glass that extends completed the secondary lounges to offer a persistent view by virtue of the split spoiler on each side. Most noteworthy comfort for every explorer was Calte's target for the hotel. The Lexus LF1 holds quick to the Japanese tradition of omotenashi, or neighborliness, regarding all who enter with measure up to excitement. The cockpit is proposed to empower the driver to concentrate at work, waiting be finished by clearing occupying basic handles and gets for development started controls and a direct show direct ahead. The front Voyager space is fundamentally more open, with even less controls and a wide unhindered dashboard. It goes about as an attendant for the tenants by reckoning the requirements of the driver and travelers in light of the advance, activity, and street conditions along the customized trip, proposing fuel stops, rest breaks and eateries, notwithstanding offering to reserve in spot. Route and course data are shown on the in-dash screen, the backseat excitement screens, or remotely associated with travelers' tablets and PDAs. Touch-responsive haptic controls effortlessly came to from the guiding wheel interface with the 4D route framework and coordinated solace and diversion frameworks. A touch tracer cushion installed in the cowhide secured focus comfort underpins character acknowledgement for information passage. An extra haptic controller in the backseat focus reassure enables travelers to make their own particular solace and excitement decisions. With its imaginative innovation and dazzling styling, the Lexus LF1 Limitless idea speaks to the potential for an astounding knowledge for future extravagance clients. Thank you for watching. Do not forget likes and subscribe guys. Meet again the next news. Have a good day.